Member of Parliament for Central Manchester, Rhoda Crawford, has hit back at two PNP Vice President candidates who made disparaging comments about her leadership. Sandy Williams has that story.
Peter Bunting, returning to the political platform in the constituency he served 13 years. He lost the Central Manchester seat to political newcomer Rhoda Crawford by over 1,000 votes, and now he wants it back. While staying clear of remarking on Ms. Crawford's performance as MP, his colleagues on the platform did not hold back.
You have a little lady down here. A little lady down here. And she does, sometimes I wonder if some little things are gone, but she look like something not right up there. So. You don't have to go on top of no motor vehicle to make people see you as like you're an MP. You must do things that people can see you as member of Parliament.
Richard Azan is one of the 4 PNP candidates for Vice President, and so too is Ian Hales.
May I come to the all of the road them flood? You no can't clean out drain no more. And say back to school and come the Lord of mercy. Say back to school and come there. Who going to help the people of Manchester? You think bench warmer can't carry this come here? On a second.
The 2 VP candidates have been widely criticized for their remarks. As for Ms. Crawford,
I am not at all daunted by the unfortunate and reckless comments of the men. My work speaks for itself. Over the last 10 months, there has been significant strides in so many areas.
She was speaking in an interview with The Gleaner, where she also referenced the current unity wars plaguing the PNP.
The electorate is no longer interested in the tribal and gutter politics. They are interested in real representation. And so I believe the men missed a perfect opportunity to communicate their plans to unite the PNP, explain the steps they intend to take to become better representatives of the people, and to say how they intend to move Jamaica forward if given the chance. Frankly put, the men ought to be ashamed of themselves for their unwarranted and distasteful attacks.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.